Keep running. Go.
Go, big boy.
There's a couple of crackers in this car here.
Okay, is that it?
No, fuck no.
Oh, look at that nigger. Nigger! Oh, shit.
Luke used to go, nigger.
Oh, look at these bitches sitting here trying to
Where?
to the right. To the right, to the right.
Oh, is my other one
these are
working?
all the goddamn.
Yep, my other one's working. I thought my other one wasn't working for a minute. I'm like, what the fuck? My hands are so sweaty from all the adrenaline.
A little hot there.
Really? Christmas lights? Look at that, Luke. Christmas lights.
And what is it?
Fucking summer. It's
June.
summer.
It's June. It's summer.
You're a few months past, dumbass. Oh, right here.
Oh my god.
Don't jump.
Oh shit. The light's red.
the light's red.
Let's just
You like it?
right when he gets us.
Don't do on the fucking. Don't.
Let's just
Don't.
right when the light. It's a biker.
Look at him, fat ass. Look at him. Look at him. Come on, turn green. Let's go. Come on, fat ass. Fat ass.
He didn't even look. He didn't look.
Did?
No, I looked
I
at
got a
him.
bunch of goddamn people over here.
To the left or the right?
No, that's not here.
No, they have babies.
Oh.
No. I just want to get all my energy out.
Look to the left.
Don't shoot me! To the left.
It's like. God damn. It's like
You wanna
see
have
a
a
cop behind us. Woo.
Nice
Whoop, whoop.
autograph, bitch. How much for one?
Hey, here we go. Roller skates.
What the roller skates? Really?
Dude, you should have saw me when I used to go to the skate park all the time with rollerblades.
You little freak.
That is not good.
One.
Because the light's red again.
So. Dude, oh my god.
Wait, are they coming? Are they fucking coming?
Oh no. Roll my window up. Sounds good. Sounds good. Come on. If they do come, I'm just fuck the red light. I'm going.
Shit.
Oh, it's just the people to our right. Don't let them see me. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Hey guys.
So,
What the
God
fuck is
damn.
wrong with this one? Okay, never mind.
It's a mentally challenged horn.
It's Spencer. Who's hurting the puppy? Huh? Who's hurting the puppy?
Sorry, it's me.
Oh, it's okay. Whatever. Stop. Jesus!
Alright, stop.
Okay, stop for a second. Not the recording now. Keep going.
Fuck. Oh, right here.
Shit.
it's a one-way up there.
That's a red stop sign.
God damn it, stop, asshole.
We're just trying to have a romantic time, and there comes a couple of assholes going. Oh, fuck me. Really?
What?
Red stop sign. Again.
Can we go up that way?
Minivan. Yeah. Follow the minivan.
Follow the van.
Wasn't there another road like this?
My balls are the size of cucumbers.
Hey, look.
Hey.
Yeah.
Sounds like
Hey, we should go back and hang out with him. Not.
like a fucking lamb.
Let's just hope he doesn't come back and beat our ass.
He laughed. Until
Yeah, he was like.
Coulter, turn right. Turn right.
I don't think I can. I'm pretty sure that's a one-way. Oh. I don't know. We're about to find out.
Oh shit.
Oh, nope, it isn't.
Luke, record.
Luke, ready?
No, the fucking lights red. The fucking lights red.
Damn it. We're just a bunch of facts.
You're hot.
Not. Pamela Anderson, I am still in love with you. Or I do not love you anymore. Not.
This is the street I was on.
Yeah, you were doing.
Gangbanger. Here. Where? I wonder if I did this, Coulter.
Yeah, I'll... Connor.
Dude, it got stuck. That wasn't me pushing that. I fucking got stuck. Oh, shit. Like, I'm about to fucking chuck this motherfucker out.
Oh my god. I'm gonna have to like put all this on one video.
Yeah, that'd be like 40 minutes long. Would you like to suck my blowhorn? Dude, Coulter, look, if you barely press on it, it gets stuck for a second. Look, ready? Never mind.
Dude, is this thing not gonna fucking turn? So I'll just go if it doesn't. Is this
Where?
behind us? No. Alright, finally.
What are you staring at the cue ball?
Fuck. Hey guys.
What if you're... Fuck you! Yeah.
Hey.
Hey, this is where we scared the emo fat, ugly nigger bitch. Coulter, why don't you go with the one-way lane again?
Oh, what do we got here?
Where?
Luke, left or right?
Hey, what?
Left. Let's start. Oh shit. He looks pissed or something.
I got a better one than you!
God damn, there's nothing better than fucking pissing off.
What was he doing? Like holding her or something? Stop!
Are you out?
I'm just doing it.
Okay.
It sounds like Mario.